If you're planning to buy a hardware wallet, let me quickly show you how to save money on Ledger using a coupon code. Right now, we're on the official Ledger website. Ledger is a trusted brand for hardware wallets, built to keep your crypto secure and protect your assets from online threats. Here you can see different Ledger wallet models, each with its own features and price. Since pricing depends on the wallet you choose, applying a coupon at checkout can help reduce the total cost. Before placing your order, it's always smart to check Techie coupons. Now switching to the Techie coupons website. On Techie coupons, you'll find a dedicated Ledger store page with the latest active and verified Ledger coupon codes. These deals are updated regularly, so you can be confident the coupon is working before using it. Now, let's go back to the Ledger website. Choose the hardware wallet you want, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, enter the Ledger coupon code you found on Techie coupons in the promo code box and apply it. If the code is valid, the discount will appear instantly. That's it. Before buying any hardware wallet, always visit Techie coupons to find the latest Ledger coupon codes and verified discounts. The link to the Ledger coupon page is available in the description